Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can mute audio in Source Monitor Premiere Pro. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Premiere Pro. So let me open this video clip in Source Monitor. So here you can see this annoying sound that you want to get rid of. So how you can get rid of this sound? So you simply need to click on Windows and click on Audio Clip Mixer, and now you can see that this panel will appear. So if you want, you can click on mute track, and if you want, you simply need to hold that and drag that to the bottom. So now I'm going to show you there is no sound. Let me mute this one. Okay, and now you are able to see there is no sound. So this is the process how you can mute audio in Source Monitor in Premiere Pro. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.